Hello, beautiful people. I hope you are utilizing this time productively, doing something what you always wanted to do, and you are not lying down like a vegetable on the bed only. So now, IELTS the Trailblazer has come up with another video to help you in your IELTS preparation. And in today's video, I'll be discussing this very important topic, which is generally asked by examiners, and that is describe an occasion when you lost something and then got it back. What you lost, how you lost it, where you found it, how you felt about it. See, speaking a cue card is something which is very easy, but yes, it requires a trick, and that is you have to cook up a story. सबसे पहले एक स्टोरी सोचो कि तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो, आप कौन से टॉपिक पे किस चीज पे बोलना चाहते हैं. फिर एक सिचुएशन सोचो वहां पर जिसमें ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. एंड फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन लुक इनटू योर लाइफ. फॉर एग्जांपल, आज का टॉपिक है कि कोई चीज़ जो आपने खोई और आपको वापस मिल गई हो, तो आप पहले सोचिए कि क्या कभी ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है. अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ आपके साथ, तो आप अपने क्लोज रिलेटिव्स या अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स को लेके सोचिए. दे कैन बी लाइक यू कैन थिंक अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स, यू कैन थिंक अबाउट योर सिबलिंग्स और योर कजन इफ दे हैव लॉस्ट समथिंग एंड फाउंड इट बैक, बिकॉज देन यू विल बी हैविंग अ स्टोरी टू स्पीक ऑन. और अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, then you can definitely, like I'll be speaking for you, you can take ideas from there, and then maybe you can speak on the same topic, because the ideas which I'll be giving, they are actually very very original. Or maybe you can think about something related to it. You can just change the name of the product or name of the thing which I lost but I found it back. So now let me just speak it for you. Keep few things in mind. You have to make sure that you will observe that what type of words I'm using. You have to make sure that you are keeping a track of connectors as well, and also the way I am cooking up a story. और मेरा एक ही सिंपल तरीका है, मैं बिल्कुल बिगनिंग से शुरू कर देती हूँ और मैं एंड तक ले जाती हूँ. एक तरीके से मैं एक पिक्चर दिखा देती हूँ एग्जामिनर को, जिससे कि वो भी इंटरेस्टेड फील करेंगे. एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड ऑल्सो नॉट लूज ट्रैक इन माई स्पीकिंग थिंग. Let's just begin with this topic. So now I'm going to speak for you all for 2 minutes and you can get an idea. So I can begin like this, that although I'm always very careful about my things and I don't lose them very often, but just fortnight ago I went to Sukna Lake for a walk with my favorite people, and I was so excited because weather was extremely pleasant and I was in a very jovial mood that I didn't even realize that while getting out from car I dropped my wallet in the parking lot. And I simply went along with them for a walk, and I was completely enjoying myself in the laps of nature, the beautiful sunset view, everything I was enjoying perfectly. But then I got to know about my wallet when I reached to this open air cafeteria and I was about to pay for my ice cream, and that was the time when I realized that my wallet was missing. I was utterly flabbergasted. I looked for it everywhere around, but to my bad luck I didn't find anywhere. In fact, I went back on the same way to search. I took help of authorities present at the Sukna Lake itself, but they were not of much help, and neither I was able to find my wallet because it got really really dark and it was difficult to find something in that darkness. So with a very sad face I came back home, and I was worried about my credit cards, debit cards, and I called few of people I know who are working in bank and my people around, so that I can figure out what exactly can be done. And first of all, I just requested them to, I raised my request to cancel my debit and credit cards. And then suddenly it was around 9 o'clock when I was sitting in my living area with my family, the doorbell rang. And when I opened, there was a couple standing out with my wallet in their hand. I was so happy, as if I was on cloud 9. And then I just requested them to come inside, and I also told my house help to make tea with fritters for them. And later on they came inside and they told me their whole story. Meanwhile, they told me the whole story, that they found my wallet in the parking lot. They did wait there for me to come at least for 15-20 minutes, but when nobody came to claim, they just kept that wallet with them safely and thought that they would return it while they'll go back home. But as my phone number was not available or was not there in my wallet, they couldn't call me or they couldn't convey this message to me, but they luckily found my address on my identity proofs. So that is how I got my wallet back, and I was very happy and thankful to them. In fact, when they were going back, when they were about to leave, I also gave them some chocolates which I was having at home as a token of love and gratitude. So that was the whole situation when I lost something, but I found it back. So this is the way you can speak. You saw that I used few vocabulary words, like I used seventh sky, I used cloud nine, I used flabbergasted, I used elated, then I also used in the starting fortnight. See, you have to be very, very smart in a way so that you can actually grab marks, because 25% of your marks are for vocabulary and you have to be smart enough to use words. जैसे मैं वहाँ पर ये भी बोल सकती थी few days ago, या फिर मैं बोल सकती थी couple of days ago, but I chose to spoke fortnight. उसका reason ये है that I have in a way added a vocabulary word in my speaking session. Then elated मतलब होता है happy, flabbergasted मतलब होता है shocked, fritters होता है जो भजियाँ, जो पकौड़े हम लोग खाते हैं उनको fritters कहते हैं. फिर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा सेवंथ स्काई. आप सेवंथ स्काई हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं सातवें आसमान पर, तो ऐसे ही हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं आई वॉज ऑन सेवंथ स्काई. So this is the way you have to speak. Make sure that you are smiling, not always, but yeah, in between. There are certain things you are focusing on. There should be tone modulation. Tone modulation होता है ऊपर नीचे जाना. जैसे जब हम कोई चीज़ important बोल रहे थे, आपने उस पर emphasize किया. Remember, we are not zombies. We are humans. So humans have everything in them. That is why tone modulation is extremely important. You have to connect with the examiner, smile a little in between if it is possible for you. And how you can do it? You can stand in front of mirror, see yourself. You would get to know how your facial expressions are. You would get to know everything about yourself. Above all, you can record your voice. You can make your recordings. You can do your recordings as well. You can make a video of yourself too. So in that way, you can improve. So this is all about today. That is all about today. I hope it is going to help you a lot in improving your speaking. And if there is anything, if there are any questions you would like to ask me, you can always leave a comment below. I would be happy to reply to each and every question of yours. And if you want me to make any video on any specific topic, you can tell me that as well. Thank you so much. Have a very good day.